Meaning of fatally.
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 Fatally. Fatally means causing or ending in death. It describes a situation where someone or something is doomed to die as a result of a particular event or action. The consequences of a fatally situation are irreversible and permanent. It implies that the outcome is tragic and irreversible, with no possibility of changing or undoing the damage caused. An action or event that is described as fatally has a severe and negative impact, often leading to a catastrophic loss or failure. Overall, the term fatally refers to a situation that ultimately leads to death or destruction, without the possibility of recovery.